Hello everyone, welcome to this video on bold reports. Working with reports that fetch data from multiple datasets into a single data region can be challenging. Using lookup and lookup set functions fetch and combine data from different datasets effortlessly, ensuring seamless integration and more insightful reports. In this video, I will show you how to use the lookup and lookup set functions in the Bold Reports Designer. These techniques works for both web and desktop report designers, but I will use the web version for this demo. Let's get started. First, I create a new report in the report server, naming it Lookup and Lookup Set Functions Report. Next, create a data source using the JSON database, and name it Employee Details. Then, I add the JSON data in the inline text area. This button connects to the data source and launches the query designer. I name the dataset Employee Dataset and drag and drop the table to the query pane. Click Run to see the values retrieved from the database and displayed in the preview area. I click Finish to create the dataset. Then, create a new data source for country details using the JSON database. I name the dataset Country Dataset and add a table to the query designer pane. Click Run to see the values retrieved from the database and displayed in the preview area. I click Finish to create the dataset. Before adding the Tablix report items, let me add a header. I enable the header area. Add a rectangle that acts as a container for the text, and resize it. I change the background color to enhance the look. To add the header text, I add a text box inside the rectangle and label it Employee Details. I format the text by changing the font type, color, size, weight, and vertical alignment. If you see extra space around the text, resize the text box and rectangle to adjust it. Now, the header has been added. Next, I need to add a table to display employee details. I add a table and the necessary columns. Then, insert a row here for the lookup function text and format them. I add the headers. And format them. Assign corresponding values in the data row. Then add the lookup expression in the country name field to retrieve country names from country dataset based on the employee dataset country code. And format them. I switch to preview from the top panel. See how the report displays country names by lookup function since it retrieves them from the country dataset based on the employee dataset country code and displays in the report. Next, I will show you how to add the lookup set function that returns a set of matching values for the specified name from the dataset that contains value pairs in the report. I add a table and remove the unnecessary columns. Then insert a row here for the lookup set function text and format it. I add headers. And format them. I assign corresponding values in the data row. To retrieve the employees' names from the employee dataset, add the lookup set expression in the table and save it. The lookup set expression in this report is used to retrieve the employees' names from the employees' dataset based on the country code. The join function in the expression is used to retrieve the collection of values and combine them separated by commas. I format them. Now, everything is ready to preview the report. I switch to preview on the top panel. See how the report displays country names and employee names in the table. The lookup function is used to retrieve specific values from a dataset based on a given condition. It is used for a one-to-one relation between two datasets. It returns the first matching value for the specified name from a dataset that contains value pairs in a report. The lookup set function is used to retrieve a collection of values depending on certain conditions. It is used for one to multiple relations between two datasets. It returns a set of matching values for the specified name from a dataset that contains value pairs in a report. In this video, I have shown you how to use the lookup and lookup set functions in an RDL report. The link to a blog containing these steps is in the description below. If you found this video useful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.